What's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this this phone case. So recently we unboxed the Motorola Edge Plus, and now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the case. And this evening I'm gonna upload a video about the Edge display and the covers and the screen protector. So let's get into this video right now about the unboxing. Alright, so the packaging is simple, it's slim and easy to open. So it has a ziplock on top, so just unpack that. Nothing really complicated, we just pull this out. We have a silicone wipe to clean your device, and that's pretty much it in the casing. So it says thanks for choosing KW mobile product, and if any reason you're not satisfied with the product you received, please get in touch. So they have their own info and warning to avoid. Okay, this is the basic warning and the price, so the QR code, and that's it for the packaging. Let's put that away, and here we have the case itself. So I got it in blue in color, so it looks nice. And let's open. So it's the casing itself, feels really nice, soft material, and the camera cutout, the mic cutout, like the power and volume buttons, the mic on the headphone jack, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We have the SIM card tray is closed, the mic, and we have the charging port and the speakers. That's it. So we see this part right here is for the edges. So let's just get the phone installed and see how it looks. Hey guys, I'm back. So back with the cover on the phone. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's pretty neat. When I ordered the cover, I was kind of worried about the edges of the display getting covered. Well, it's neat. So yeah, let's just open the device, and this is how it looks. So now let's it's pretty comfortable getting on camera. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications on, and you'll be able to see my next video. Thanks for watching.